Hi, I'm Daniel from Metex. I'm here today just very quickly to show you our Fixings Kit education board. So what you're seeing here is a 4-inch very robust piece of tube. This goes in the middle of your Fixings Kit point of sale on one of your pegboards and quite simply demonstrates the common substrates that fixings go into in the UK. So what then happens is your consumers, your customers come up to this board. They're able then to look at the substrates that they're going into, they're able to look at the load ratings associated with that, and they are then able to make the right choice from picking a fixing out from the point of sale there and bringing it up to the counter to make a purchase. So, very good bit of kit. One of these comes free of charge with every fixing kit that we supply you. If you'd like to know more, please pick up the phone and speak to one of my colleagues on 0800 130 3646. Thanks for watching.